to find an analytic function whose real or imaginary part is given. So example, find the analytic function. Find the analytic function whose real part whose real part, that is what, u, real part u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square 3xy square and plus 3x square minus 3y square and plus 1 this. Find the analytic function whose real part is this. Okay, this problem is given to you. What have to do? Have to determine the analytic function. So let us see how to find the analytic function. Solution. Okay, so our first step is what? Let f of z equal to u plus iv be required analytic function. Okay, so we here assuming f of z equal to u plus iv is required analytic function. So now differentiate this. So we're differentiating this with respect to x. So you'll get f dash of z, and this is equal to ux plus I times of vx. Okay, I times of vx. So but by CR equation, so by CR equation, we have f dash of z, and this is equal to what, ux and minus I. See, what is the CR equation here? Ux, since your CR equation is ux equal to vy, and uy is equal to what, minus vx. This is your CR equation. Okay, so instead of vx we putting what, minus uy. Okay, instead of vx we putting minus uy. Now our job is what, to find ux and uy, because u is given to you. Okay, since given u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square and plus 3x square minus 3y square and plus 1. Okay, now we differentiating u partially with respect to x. So ux is equal to, differentiate this, so this become 3x square and minus 3y square, because derivative of x is 1, and plus differentiate this, so this become 3 to the 6x, and this is constant term, so this will 0, so no need to write. Okay, now also differentiating u partially with respect to y, so uy is equal to, this term is constant, so this will 0 minus, and here we differentiating partially with respect to y, so this become what, 3 to the 6x y, and this term is constant term, so this will 0, so here minus 3 to the 6y, and this is constant, this will 0. Okay, so you got here ux and uy, just substitute this over here. Okay, so therefore f dash of z is equal to, name this equation number 1, and this is 2, and this is what, 3. So now putting 2 and 3 in equation number 1. So putting 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get f dash of z, and this is equal to ux is this one, that is 3x square 3x square minus 3y square and plus 6x. Okay, and what, and this one, this is नहीं, this one is आपका कौन सा है, this is equation number 1. Okay, not that. So this become what, ux is 3x square minus 3y square and plus 6. Okay, and minus I times of ui is what, minus 6xy minus 6y, just close the bracket. Okay, so this equal to what, just simplify this, 3x square minus 3y square and plus 6x. Okay, this is first term, a minus minus goes here, plus I. Okay, so we write here 6xy. Now we will take common. Okay, this is equal to what is the common here, 3 is common, just take outside, so this become what, x square minus y square and plus 2x and plus I, here I am taking 6 outside, so this becomes 6 xy and plus y. Okay, if you just put here, put x equal to z, and if we putting x equal to z and y equal to 0, then what happen over here, we putting here, put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this expression. Okay, then only you can integrate na. So this become f dash of z, and this is equal to what, so 3 z square minus 0 and plus 2z, 2z and plus here plus I times of 6, here x is what, z, and y is 0, so this become what, z times of 0 and y is 0, so this is what, 0. Okay, so this equal to what, 3 times of z square and and what, plus
six.
2z. Okay, and this will what, 0.
3 to just 6 ना.
Multiply नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना
अच्छा,
उसको, so this becomes 0, so this is what, 3z square plus 2z. Okay, ठीक
यस
है,
सर.
चलिए मैं इसको नेक्स्ट पेज पे ले जाता हूँ. ठीक है, so here you have what, f dash of z is equal to 3 times of z square plus 2z, z square and plus 2z. Okay, so this equal to what, just integrate this with respect to z. So integrating with respect to z, integrating with respect to z on both sides. Okay, so just integrate this. If you integrating, derivative चला जाएगा आपका, so this become what, f of z, and 3 is constant, just taking outside, so this is what, z square plus 2z and write down dz plus integrating constant. Okay, where c is constant. Okay, known as what, integrating constant. So this is equal to 3 z cube by 3 and plus 2 is constant, so this is z square by 2. Okay, just close the bracket and plus c, so multiply 3 inside the bracket, so this become what, z cube and plus this 2 and this 2, so under 3 multiply करेंगे, so 3 z square and plus c. Okay, so which is require analytic function of given real part. Okay, so just write down which is required analytic function, Okay, I hope you understood how to find analytic function if real part is given. Yes or no, you got it? Students, you got it, how to find?
Yes, sir.
Next example. find the analytic function whose real part is given, whose real part is given, where u is what, where u is equal to log of under root x square plus y square. Example number 2. Example number 2. Find the analytic function whose real part is u equal to e raised to x cos y minus y sin x. Okay, so these are two problem. So please do this problem at your home. Okay, these are very simple problem.